Hey guys, welcome back to Initial Speed. So the reason you haven't seen the Beetle in a bit is because I've been prepping it. Prepping it for what, you may ask? Well, let me show you what it looks like now. I'm not finished prepping it, but let me show you what it looks like now, and then you can see what we're up to. Alright, here it is. This is what it looks like currently. Working on those rockers to make them clean. Taking off the decal off the side of the car. Just prepping it, cleaning the surface. Should I tell you what I'm prepping it for? Well, I believe Omar had told you that we're going to wrap this, and that's all I'm going to say. So I said that we are doing something, prepping the car. I'll give you a small taste. Are you ready? Yep, we're wrapping the Beetle. So you'll never guess what is happening now. Yep, that's right. It decided to freaking rain. So we've built ourselves a little shelter. Somebody's freehanding. And Omar's plotting out the next panel. Oh man, why did it have to rain? So even though the rain has screwed us over a bit, we're still moving. Not as quickly as we'd like, because, you know, this tarp doesn't really cover all of us, especially while we're working on this thing, but, you know, the back is coming along. The quarter on the right side looks nice. The hood or the bonnet looks good. We still have, of course, a lot to go. I don't think we're going to get it all done today, just because we are soaked to our underwear. But still moving, slowly but still moving. So the rain has totally buggered us up, but we're pushing through. This is where we are. Front still needs to be done. Omar's working that A-pillar. CU Productions is producing some bangers over here. Yeah. We've got rear door, the quarter, rear fender, trunk, bumper. All that's done. And then, well, you can see we still have a little bit more to go, but this rain, like I said, this rain has really messed with us. Oh well, you do what you can, or what is the saying? You get what you get and you don't get upset. I like. What do you guys think? Ooh, she's coming together nicely. Come on. Come on. few more things, and then she's done. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching Initial Speed. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go this way. Hope you enjoyed. Come on back and see what else we have cooking up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends. I'm out.